I'm not used to plus verb-ing is used to express that something is surprising, difficult, unfamiliar, or strange to you, or that you feel uncomfortable with something because you haven't experienced doing it yet. Examples: I'm not used to living alone. I'm not used to wearing makeup. I'm not used to wearing dangling earrings. I'm not used to eating chicken feet, but I discovered they're delicious. I'm not used to changing babies' diapers, so I'm having a hard time. I'm not used to doing construction work. I'm not used to living frugally, so my finances are suffering. I'm not used to seeing foreigners on the island. I'm not used to having very hot weather, so I always look for rooms with air conditioners. I'm not used to wearing dresses because I'm comfortable with jeans and shirts.